Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you a cucumber, tomato, and onion salad. This is a really old-fashioned salad. I grew up eating this. My mother used to make this. So let me share that recipe with you. Let's get started. Today I will be preparing for you a cucumber, tomato, and onion salad. This salad goes way back. It's really good for the summertime. I really enjoy eating this salad during the summer month. 2 cucumbers, 1 clove of garlic, 1 onion, 1 lemon, 1 pack of stevia. I might have to add more sugar, we'll see. Half a cup of cherry tomatoes, sea salt, avocado oil, distilled vinegar, and black pepper. Okay, I chopped up the garlic, added it to the bowl. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the cucumbers and the onion. Onions, I'm gonna go ahead and wash the cherry tomatoes. Okay, I'm gonna add a half a cup of vinegar. That's the distilled vinegar. Okay, that's a half a cup. And 1/4 cup of olive oil. I'm just add it in here. I cannot judge it. Okay. I decided to go with the olive oil versus the avocado oil. And this is the brand I use. I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of stevia. So I'm gonna just go ahead and pour it in there. You can add more if you like. You know, you just want to taste it, see if you go to your likings. Okay, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Okay. Okay, I'm adding the whole lime. Okay, now this salad will probably last us for 3 days. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And I'm gonna taste it to ensure that I have enough salt and pepper. Okay, it's good, but I will have to add another teaspoon sea salt, because I will have to add one. Because I plan to add 1 cup of water to this. So I'm gonna mix it and add the water. Okay, now I'm gonna pour it over the salad. It tastes really good. I had to test how much salt I had in there. A lot of the salt is at the bottom of the measuring cup. See how pretty that salad is. Very healthy salad. Add a little more water just to get this. Okay. So altogether, I added about 3/4 cup of water. Okay. Now I'm gonna refrigerate this for 2 hours. Delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture of it. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.